Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Language Focus, we are going to learn about digraphs. Before this, in your English for grade 2, I have already taught you about digraphs. Do you remember? I hope yes. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to articulate and identify. Articulate and identify words containing digraphs, initial, middle, and final position. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Najm, verse 10, and He revealed to His servant what He revealed. That is conveyed. Allahu Akbar. Better what this beautiful verse is telling us. What does His servant mean? Our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this verse is telling us whatever our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us, it was revealed, it was given to him by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He revealed, Allah told him what to convey to us. So alhamdulillah, Quran and Sunnah and Ahadith, these are the ways our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us everything what Allah wanted him to teach us, right? Okay, my dear students, now look at these pair of letters. How do we pronounce them? Revealed. What? So they are not giving the sound as they have their own sound. So how do we make these sounds? For that, first you tell me, how do we say words? These words, watch. Oh, I should not say, you will tell it. And what are digraphs? Whatever you remember about digraphs, pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could read all these words. Watch, fawn, shake, right? And the next question is, what are digraphs? These are digraphs, right? These are digraphs. How do we define digraphs? A group of two letters. Beta, I told you, di means two. Two. Digraph means two letters are joined together to make one sound. Two letters, one sound, that is digraph. So two letters that make a single sound is called a digraph. And its examples are here, right? In words, we'll practice them. Now look at these a pair of two letters representing a single speech sound is called a digraph. This is the first thing. And secondly, we can divide these digraphs into two consonants or two vowels. Remember about consonant and vowels? If two consonants are joined together, they are known as consonant digraph. Okay, because about digraph you have learnt in grade 2. This is a consonant digraph and this is a vowel digraph, right? So how do we pronounce these sounds? As I taught you, you know the sound of this letter C, it's K, right? The sound of letter H is H. But when they are joined together, they make a new sound, that's Ch, Ch, as in chair, right? TH together, they can make two type of sound. One is soft as in think, thank you, right? And the other is hard as in that, there, right? And SH, this digraph make a sound sh as in shampoo, right? Okay. Now look at the pictures. And with this diagram, whatever comes in your mind, lunch, chair, chess, chop, right? So all the words are containing this diagram. Ketchup, march, chair, torch, bunch, sandwich. Now this diagram is TH. Thunder, thermos, fall, father, leather, feather. This is both, telephone booth, broth, cloth, whisk, whisper, wheat, shrimp, shovel, shelf, and shell, fish, mushroom. Now you see beta, all these words are containing this diagram. This is how we find diagrams in different words. Ash, push, and what is this? Shh. We say it? Okay, so this is a diagram. Now what this diagram sounds like, as in telephone, pharmacy, photo or photographer, trophy, dolphin, graph, jeep, and peel, like to peel, tree, bee. These are, now we have started with wall diagrams. Ice cream, beans, moon, spoon, and zoo, shampoo. So we learned that a digraph is a group of two letters that make a single sound, as such as in ship, as in phone, and as in Thursday. So are you clear with these sounds of digraphs? So let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, it's a word game. Teacher will create a bingo game with more than one words from a word family. You have to find out the digraph of the given word. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Are you done with it? Good job. It's time to practice from your book. All of you, open your book on page number 26. Fill in the missing letters in the middle or end or in the following words with the diagram. So this is the diagram. You have to complete the word, say it, and find this word. Okay, so this is how we use diagrams. Pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now you learned that digraph can be at beginning or ending or middle position of a word. So it's time for your homework. You will write the words containing digraph from this story. Okay, your unit number 4, you will go through each and every word and underline all the words which are containing digraphs, and you will write these digraph words in your notebook. So here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned the concept of digraphs. We articulated, identified, and practiced the difference between individual sounds and digraphs. And we learned to articulate and identify words that contains digraph in initial, middle, and final position. So we achieved our SLO to articulate and identify words containing digraph in initial, middle, and final position. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.